Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to do this really quick potato recipe. We're going to use some Thai basil, Thai lime coconut. This is gluten-free, Marian's original Thai basil and lime coconut dressing. You can use it as a salad dressing, you can use it in what I'm going to do tonight is like a potato salad. Alright, now let's come and have a look at our ingredients here. I've got some green beans which I need to use up. I've got some asparagus, finely chopped red onion, and I've got some beautiful baby basil from my garden. Now the first thing you need to do is we need to cook our potatoes. I've had them on a gentle simmer and they're just about al dente, which means almost 3/4 cooked. So I will grab those now and we're just going to drain them into the pot there. Right. While they're draining, I'm going to turn up my heat and we want to blanch these beans and the asparagus ready to be tossed into this. And by the way, this is a warm salad. If you want to do this cold, you can do. You can just put everything together and just let it cool down and then put it in the fridge and I'm sure it'll be just as nice. Great with a glass of Chardonnay, this meal. It's a side dish, don't forget. Now I've got 4 pieces of salmon. We're doing a dish here for 4 people. Just a touch of olive oil on there. Over to our pan and we're just going to put those on and start cooking those. Alright, so now what we need to do is we're going to strain these. We'll blanch them now for about a minute. They're still nice and green. Alright, so now what you want to do is toss those into your potatoes. And you just give this a little bit of a toss around like this. You want to pour this into the bowl. Nice. Now if you want to, you can fry these onions off. I'm just going to sprinkle them through there like a lot of onion. Give it a stir around. I'm going to let this cool slightly. Now I'm just going to drizzle this through. Nice little warm salad here. Taste it for consistency and see if we need any salt and pepper. That is nice. Beautiful fresh baby basil from my garden. Toss that in, and I think it needs just a hint of pepper, which I'm going to do now. A bit of cracked black pepper on the top. And that is just a gorgeous side salad. Really nice side salad. We're going to serve this with some fresh salmon, put it all together, come back and I'll show you when we plate it up how fantastic it looks. Guys, here you go. Simple mid-week meal. I'm going to top it off with some of my beautiful basil from my garden. This is such a simple and easy meal that you can do, and just a little drizzle over the top, making this just a gorgeous meal. And it's taken the time that we've cooked the salmon, not very long at all, probably close to 25-30 minutes. Get a touch of olive oil just over the salmon, just let it drizzle through, just a little. Gorgeous. And what I'm going to do, squeeze just some fresh lemon. Beautiful contrast with salmon, and you've got that Thai inspired dressing on there too. Got to give this a try. The salmon just flakes away. You can see how beautiful and moist that salmon is. Absolutely delicious. Going to give that a try. You want some salt and pepper, you can add to it. Beautiful crunchy asparagus, not overcooked, and that gorgeous Thai basil lime coconut dressing with the potato. Really, really nice. Thank you so much for watching my channel, everyone. Until my next recipe, take care. We'll see you next week.